Hello and welcome to the RYOBI workshop. I'm here to tell you about RYOBI's 4-volt USB Lithium Inspection light. This inspection light is the latest addition to our expanding USB Lithium range and is perfect for inspection tasks and repairs. So let's take a closer look. In the box you will get the light itself, and depending on the kit you purchase, it may also come with a battery and charging cable. As with any light, the most important feature is its brightness, which the inspection light has plenty of. The LED panel will illuminate up to a brightness of 650 lumens, with a choice of high, medium or low settings. The inspection lights panel tilts over from fully open to fully closed, making it both compact when not in use, but extremely flexible when carrying out inspection tasks or repairs. As well as holding the light in your hand, the light offers 2 methods of attachment. The handy belt clip can be fastened to your belt, meaning your hands can be kept free to carry other tools. And the base is also fully magnetic, which allows you to attach the light to metal surfaces while carrying out tasks in dimly lit areas. As seen with the rest of the USB Lithium range, the USB Lithium Inspection light has a removable 4-volt battery, which is compatible with any other USB Lithium tool. Make sure you check out the RYOBI website to find our full range of USB Lithium tools.